Have you ever felt really guilty about something? Don't tell me you haven't made a mistake. You may have made a mistake and you're feeling terrible about it the moment you realize it. And now, since you have realized it, you are guilt tripping. You're thinking over and over about the same mistake that you shouldn't have done. But I want you to stop and practice self compassion. According to the emotional scale, guilt is the emotion that puts you in a totally discharged mode. No matter how much you want to utilize the rest of the day in a productive or energetic or create something beautiful in that day, you wouldn't be able to do that. All your energy will go in drain just because of that guilt. So I want you to practice this. Tell yourself like this: Hey Isha, I know you made a mistake. You realize it, you promise yourself that you don't do it again, you will be cautious about it. But now I want you to realize that that mistake has happened in the past. And no matter how much you think about it over and over again, you will not be able to make any changes to that. So, what I want you to do is pull yourself together and focus on the present, get over that guilt, and see what you can do now. Look at the day ahead and the things that you are not supposed to do, the goals you have set for your day, and start working on them. Now, the problem with this, the other problem that you may face while doing this is you may see that you will not be able to switch immediately from that emotion after that self talk as well. So, what I want you to do is play a song which puts you in a high energy mode. Listen to that song for a couple of minutes, and then it will become easy for you to change that emotion. So, first, accept the mistake, practice positive self talk, and third is play a music that puts you in a high energy mode. If you like the video, follow for more. Thank you.